Hey everyone, and today I'll show you how to make this really cool moving origami. It's a talking frog designed by Teruo Tsuji. So we start by taking our square sheet of paper and folding it in half diagonally, like that. And then you're gonna place it like that and fold the corners towards the top on both sides. After that, you should grab the top corner and bring it to meet the bottom corner. You're gonna hold this with your finger and only make a small crease in the center, but you don't need to fold it all the way through. We only do that in order to make a small crease in the middle here. And now you're gonna fold the top triangles from the top to the middle, and you're gonna fold it right up to that crease that you just made in the center. So here, and here. After that, you're gonna take the paper and fold it outwards like that. And then you're gonna fold it back inwards towards the center. And now you're gonna take your paper and open the flap here. Gonna open it like that and make it flat. So it should look like that. And do the same thing on the other side. Lift, open, and flatten. Like that. And now you're gonna fold it in half to form the eye of the frog, like that. So it should look something like that in the end. Okay, now you're gonna flip the paper over and you're gonna fold it in half vertically. After that, you're gonna fold the three corners towards the center, and the center you can find where this center line meets the vertical line. And you can do it only on the three sides, all the sides except the top one. Like that. And now you're gonna, to make the hands of the frog, you're gonna fold the sides outwards so that the corners are aligned with the edges, like that. And for the bottom, you're gonna fold it in half like that. Then unfold and fold it in half from the other side. Like that. And now you're gonna take the two sides and fold them simultaneously towards the bottom and then you sort of pinch the paper in the center so it looks like that, and yep, it should look like that in the end. So we're almost done here. Now all you do is make the mouth of the frog, and for that you're gonna make 2 folds following the edge of that triangle, so from here to here and from here to here. So again, following the edge, we're just gonna make a fold. Here, and the same on the other side. So, as you can see, there are 2 folds. And now you're gonna bend your model backwards like that. And you're gonna open the mouth of the frog by pulling 1 layer of the paper down from here. So hold it in one hand and then use the other hand to pull the paper down. Like that. And if it's hard, just try sort of moving the paper like that a little bit. But then you should be able to open the mouth. And then you're gonna put the eyes in an upright position like that. You can shape the mouth a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is your talking frog ready. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys next time.